Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to crop a video in OBS Studio. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So first of all, let's add a video. So I'm clicking on plus icon for sources and clicking on media source, browse, and I'm selecting my video here. Okay, so here's my video. Now let's see how to crop this video. To crop your video, select the layer and click on filters, click on this plus icon here and click on croppad. You can change the rename here and click on OK. And now enter the value for the left side you want to crop and enter here top value, right value, bottom value, and click on close. And that's how you can crop a video in OBS Studio. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.